14 billion years ago, the universe was born in a blinding expansion of space and time we call the Big Bang. But here's the question no scientist can fully answer. What existed before it? Was there something, or was there nothing at all? The Big Bang theory explains how our universe evolved, but not how it began. In fact, when we roll the cosmic clock backward, the math breaks down into something terrifying, a singularity, a point of infinite density, infinite heat, and no concept of space or time. At that point, our physics collapses. And we're left asking, what was before? Some argue that asking what came before the Big Bang makes no sense. If time itself began at the Big Bang, then there was no before. Just as you can't go north of the North Pole, you can't go before time itself. But is that really true? Or are we just trapped inside the limits of our imagination? We will explore today the 4 possible theories of what existed before the Big Bang. Let's begin. 1. The cyclic universe. One possibility is that the Big Bang wasn't the beginning, but just one chapter in an infinite story. In the cyclic universe theory, the universe expands, slows down, collapses back in a big crunch, and then explodes again in another Big Bang. An endless loop of death and rebirth. If that's true, we may be living in the billionth version of reality. 2. The multiverse. Another theory says our Big Bang was just one bubble in an infinite sea of universes, the multiverse. Imagine a cosmic foam where new universes constantly pop into existence, each with its own laws of physics. Some die instantly. Others, like ours, expand and give rise to stars, planets, and life. If that's true, then asking what was before is like asking what's outside your bubble. The answer may be countless other bubbles. The quantum origin. At the smallest scales of reality, the quantum world is chaotic. Particles flicker into existence out of nothing. Some scientists suggest the entire universe might have been born from such a quantum fluctuation. In this view, the universe didn't come from something, and it didn't come from nothing either. It came from the restless energy of the quantum vacuum, a nothingness that isn't really nothing at all. 4. The simulation hypothesis. One of the wildest ideas, maybe the universe never began at all, because it was programmed. If we're inside a simulation, then the Big Bang could have been nothing more than a loading screen, the moment the simulation switched on. No matter which theory you choose, one thing is clear: the Big Bang may not be the beginning. It might just be our beginning. Before it, there could have been other universes, other realities, or perhaps nothing at all, a nothing so strange our minds can barely grasp it. So, what existed before the Big Bang? An eternal cycle? A multiverse? A quantum spark? Or a cosmic code? Maybe one day we'll know. But for now, the greatest mystery of all time remains unsolved.